Hi guys, today I'm going to take you to another of my favorite French restaurants in Tokyo. It's called Prévenance H.Shizukai. It's been a while since last time I was here, but it's one of my very favorite restaurants. The food is so delicate and the chef Shizukai-san is just one of the best chefs, one of the most humble and beautiful persons that I know. Let's go! 行きましょう。Prévenance H.Shizukai. So here is the beautiful restaurant. Have this piece of art here. C'est chef Shizukai. Ça va, chef?
Ah, ça va?
Bon. You are waiting for my friends. Please come and eat at Shizukai-san's restaurant, okay?
Ok. Je m'appelle Shizukai.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
You have to come. Shizukai-san.
静かいです。こちらフィンガーフードになってます。Appel de Hamed, c'est canapé confit de canard avec zézé, cake salé avec crème fouettée, parfum.
Lard, du lard. Oui, you can see the lard around.
Guanciale はイタリア、
ピノグリ。
ピノグリ。
Ah ouais, d'accord. It's strong.
Grilled and tartar. Tartar in the ibrigacco.
Ouais, it's a shellfish, kana?
Concombre.
Concombre des mers, like sea cucumber. C'est ça, hein, je crois, ouais.
Oh, it's the
Ouais.
first time I tried it.
So, parfum fumé.
Aromatique.
Judrot, un peu from the outside spice.
Spicy.
So with carrot,
Mikan.
Tangerine.
Clementine.
一番下がバニラムースになりまして、その上に愛媛県
This is a single.
So Gaienmai station is over there. And this is the way to go to the restaurant. So from the station you go straight, and when you arrive at this Casina store, you go on the right side. So when you arrive at the Lawson, you go on the left, and the restaurant is very close now. And this is the restaurant, guys. Prévenance H.Shizukai.